Hello students, so in ray optics chapter, sign convention is the most important concept that you need to understand. So without sign convention, you cannot solve any questions. Without applying sign convention, you cannot use any formula from ray optics. So let's quickly revise what is sign convention. So all of you remember XY coordinate system with the center as the origin. Okay, and the distances measured from the center to the right side, which is the positive x-axis, and we have the negative x-axis here, positive y-axis above the x-axis and negative y-axis. Similarly, we can create a sign convention system in optics also. So in mirrors, the pole acts as the origin here. Okay, you can compare this with the XY coordinate system. Pole of the mirror is the origin here, and all the distances measured from the pole to the right side is positive. All the distances measured from the pole to the left side is negative. And the middle line is known as, the central line is known as principal axis. All the distances above the principal axis is positive. All the distances below the principal axis is negative. These are the four important points in sign convention. Okay, and usually light comes from left to right because we usually keep the object on the left side, right? In almost all questions, all diagrams. So this is the direction of light. So in sign convention, we usually take the direction of light as positive. So based on that, we measure everything else. So you can see that here, the focus of a concave mirror is to the left side. So you measure the focal length from the pole to the left side of the concave mirror. That is why focal length of the concave mirror is always negative. Understood? And the focus of a convex mirror is to the right side of pole, and you measure the focal length from the pole to the focus, to the right side. That is the reason why you have the focal length of the convex mirror as positive. Okay, so this is the logic behind sign convention, and we have to apply this in every formula. The same logic can be applied to lenses also, and you can understand, you can make the same reasoning for the focal length of concave lens and convex lens. Clear? So compare this with the XY coordinate system and understand truly what is meant by sign convention. Okay.
Hi all, you are watching a DOPA capsule class now. To know more about DOPA and DOPA capsule, download DOPA app and contact us using this number.